almost exactly 11 months.
Working on the boat, waiting out COVID.
Waiting out COVID, waiting for an engine due to shipping and supply chain issues because of COVID, and then having to leave the country because of the visa issue, and then not being able to get back into the country because of COVID. Yeah, lots of delays.
So here we are, 11 months later.
And that's crazy. It's weird how it feels like it's just tonight, and it's like an event that's just rolling past me that I don't realize is happening. It's very interesting. It's like, oh my gosh, it's only going to be like an hour and we're going to be out on the ocean, so maybe 2,
Yeah.
something like that. And I'll be on my way, probably never back in San Diego again.